Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl MS290 chainsaw. This one is for sale. Give me a call, the chainsaw guy, 541-643-1646 if you're interested in it. I set these chainsaws up when I sell them the way I would like to have them for cutting firewood. Features a 20-inch barn chain, and that's 325 063 gauge with the chainsaw guy's Sylvie razor grind, and a set of the large chainsaw guy's large falling spikes, inside and outside. We'll fire it up and make a couple cuts here. This is some very hard dug fir. It's been kill drying. It's very difficult to cut, and we'll see how it cuts through it. If you have any questions on this saw, give the chainsaw guy a call.